Hello everybody, welcome back. Today I have a 12-day of Advent Christmas swap to share with you. This is from the Happymailers Facebook page, and the lady that sent to me is called Fani Lisa, so she created my swap. There weren't really any rules for the swap apart from the fact you had to make at least 9 out of the 12 days. You weren't allowed to go and buy for 3 of the days, but if you wanted to make it all you could, but you did have to make for at least 9. So I'm going to be sharing with you today what Danny made and sent to me. So if you like Happy Mail videos, if you like haul videos, if you like the odd tutorial, please do make sure you've hit the red subscribe button. It does help my channel grow and reach more people, and it means the absolute world that people come and watch my videos. So let's just jump straight into this video. This is what my swap came in. How beautiful is this bag? I'm going to put a photo in now actually of when I first took it out of the box, because this was all like cellophaned up, so I put a picture over the screen. But yeah, this is kind of how it came. It's a really beautiful bag. As you can see, there are a couple of candy canes left that I managed to wrangle away from my daughter, and I have a very lovely caramel latte that I have been saving, and I will probably have after this, to be fair. And then really kindly, Fani Lisa knows I have allergies, so she put in some ingredients for some of the things that were in here so that I could check and make sure that I could have them. So that was really kind, thank you so much. And my daughter has totally enjoyed eating some of these candy canes, not gonna lie. So let's put those to one side. So I have opened all of this already because I just couldn't wait. I'm not going to lie, I could not wait. I did do it on a day-by-day basis, and I started on the 1st of December and I finished on the 12th. So this is the beautiful card that she made to go with the swap. There was also a letter. Isn't that beautiful? So I can go and put that up downstairs now I've showed you. So I've tried to keep them in order. And let's have a look. So this was day number 1. Very beautiful, like, I'm going to call it like a bookmark. It's like, I could put it in a journal as like a, this is the page I'm on. Really, really beautiful. Look at that. Loved that. Then this is probably one of my favourite days. These are absolutely beautiful. I wore them, I think the night I opened them, because I had my Christmas party, but it is a set of earrings and they are just stunning. Look at those. So those I've already worn. Wore them to my Christmas party. Really lightweight as well. Really love those. Then on day 3 we have this Santa brooch. Isn't that cute? I'm going to wear that. We're going to see Santa Claus this Saturday, so I shall wear him then. Then day 4 I have these. So they'll be great for decorating mail maybe next year. Or I could put them in a journal. Day number 5 have a candle. It's a Yankee candle. I absolutely love Yankee candles. I left it wrapped up, but I am going to be lighting this today, so loved that. Thank you so much. Then on day 6 we have these hidden paper clips. Super cute. Day number 7 I got this absolutely fabulous pen. Would you look at that? Can always use a pen. So I loved that. Just put that over on the side. Day number 8 with these rosettes. How cute are they? Love those. I don't know how people get there so small and flat. Mine always come out really big, really chunky. I'm rubbish at rosettes. Then on day number 9 we had these tags. Aren't they great? Love them. Love that she's used fluffy stuff. I've got fluffy stuff and I always forget to use it, and I really should, especially hot chocolate. What a great idea on a way to use fluffy stuff. So that was day number 9. Day number 10, we have this bookmark. Beautiful. Love it. I have asked for a book for Christmas, so I'm sure if I get the book that I asked for, that will be able to go straight in there. Then this is day number 11. There's a die. And then this is day number 12. Oh my goodness, this must have taken so long. So we have a tag flip, but look, on the back we've got like wax seals, we have like cutest little tag, and we have this one with some ephemera, Santa mail, a shaker one. That one has a deer die. Love that. That's lovely. And then it's got like a shaker, hot chocolate. How cool is that? Look at all these, what do they call it? I can't think of the word. I love how they've been collaged up. Then we have some washi samples. Look at these. Some tassels that she's made out of paper. Absolutely love that. That must have taken so much time. I am seriously impressed. I just couldn't do anything like that. I'm not that creative, but beautifully presented, beautiful gifts. So much time and effort has gone into this swap. Absolutely love it all. I think the earrings are definitely my favourite, and I will wear those for years and years to come. So thank you so much, Fani Lisa, for sending me such a beautiful swap and putting all that time and effort in. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much to everyone who's come to watch my short sweet video today. I hope you enjoyed seeing what was in my 12-day of Advent swap. Let me know if you've taken part in any, and if you have been opening it, or whether you saved it till near Christmas. How do you do yours? Thank you so much for watching today. I really appreciate everyone who stops by and watches my videos. If you're not already subscribed, please do hit the subscribe button. It helps my channel grow and reach more people. And if you've enjoyed today's video, please give it a big thumbs up. I will be back soon with more videos, but until next time, take really good care, have a great Christmas, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.